Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to the Redwood Avenue of Giants. This is just south of Redwood National Forest. This place is freaking amazing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. It goes all the way up. I got the drone. Let's send it up and then let's go for a ride. We have made it to the Avenue of Giants. This is freaking nuts. Look at all these redwoods everywhere. These are freaking cool. Oh my goodness. Wow! Avenue of Giants. This place is gnarly. Whoa, baby. Look how many there are. This is crazy. Whoa, it's majestic with the sunlight dripping through. The mountain sunlight passing through. Whoa, we are in it right now. I need to get a good spot. I believe I can maybe, if I'm lucky, find a spot to launch the drone. We'll see. If there's a clearing somewhere I could pull over. There's gotta be. Oh, it's quite the avenue. This is the Avenue of Dreams, baby. Whoa, I feel like I'm on a fairy tale planet. I feel like I'm in what's it called? Like Little Red Riding Hood's woods. Whoa, Avenue of Giants indeed. Whoa, this place is cool. There's a little lake on the left. It's kind of cold. Slow it down a minute. Whoa. Maybe a good pull out somewhere. Whoa. Whoa. Pulling in here. I don't care what they say. What is this, gravel? Does the bike do well over here? Whoa! Oh! It's right in the center. This place is freaking insane. Avenue of Giants indeed. Look at this. That's sweet. Jeez. Whoa! This place is cool. Whoa, look at that one. So all I keep saying is whoa. Because it is what it is. Jeez. Quite the avenue. We got more avenues. Pull over here for a second. Gravity. Hey! Yeah! Whoa! Strong up here. My knee hurts because I jumped off that freaking log. I didn't realize how high it was. And I'm old. Whoa! Avenue of Giants. It's nuts. Very nice. Well, guys, onwards to Redwood National Forest. Let's get it.